Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new codes and how you can get kind of like free VIP. Well, you can't do this on like the normal mode though. This is just on free play, and honestly it does take a long time. You just need a fairy post pack, and you're just going to walk here until you reach the end here, and you're just going to walk. Make sure you walk kind of like near the edges a little bit, and you can either like jump to VIP or like press the buttons here. I think, is it here? I'm scared like I'm gonna fall. Oh yeah, let's just fall down here. You can like go here and then oh, you can't do that anymore. Oh, it's this one. Press E, and then when you exit, you're in like VIP. And I'll put the new codes in the description box down below. There's only one, but yeah, it only works for free play anyways. And I do have VIP, so don't like come for me. Like I actually can go out and in here. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.